Okay, y'all, so this video is inspired by about that van life. So what I'm going to start with, I'm going to play this video and try to demonstrate some things. So I thought I was going to do it a different way, but just bear with me. So about that van life, and anybody else that wants to know how to use InShot, welcome to this video. I'm Sweet Juicy, and let's give it a go. Okay, so I'm going to play this video, and then as I start to do something, I'll just let you know what I'm doing. So we're going to just listen to what's being said, and then at each thing that I mention, I'm going to attempt to show you how to do it. So I'm already in the InShot app. Hey y'all, I'm Sweet Juicy, and this is Sweet Juicy's After Leisure Life. So this video is inspired by about that van life. Okay, so right here, I'm going to put in what they call PIP, which is picture in picture. And I'm going to circle it so you can see it. So this is how you add something in. So I want to put the person's channel who inspired this video. I want to put this on the screen so that y'all can see it. And y'all check out his channel. It's about that van life. Okay? So here we go. We're going to tap the PIP. Well, let me get this off of here. I got to remove this first. So I got to touch. I'm screen recording, so I'm having to do some extra stuff, y'all. So just bear with me. This is my first time trying to do this like this, you know, to try to show somebody something. Well, no, it's not really. But trying to show somebody how to do an app, you know, do the editing app. And I want to do something where you can at least grasp, you know, 2 or 3 things by the time we're through, okay? So we're going to push PIP. And then I'm going to select right here where I have your channel name. We're going to push that. And you see how it pops up right there. Okay, so I just put it wherever I want to put it at. Okay, here we're going to touch animation right there. And so this is the way it shows up. However you want it to show up. If you want it to show up like that. So I'm going to show you how. That's how you do it. Or whichever way you want to do it. So I'm going to show you how. So those are just some of the ways. So we're going to just keep going, you know, not to get confused. So that's one cute thing, one simple thing, fun thing to add in stuff. Okay, so now we're going to just listen to the next video till I mention what's next. I use InShot. InShot is an app that helps you in editing. So for me, when I first started out, InShot was the best, and so far they're still the best for me. You know, as a somewhat beginner, they make it easy for me to be able to use it. So CapCut is #1 to everybody, and Adobe Premium and all of those, but InShot does what I needed to do currently. Okay, so we're gonna back out of this because I should have showed you how to do text. So when I just put 2 years in, okay, we're gonna check this. I don't want this to be over here. I got too much going on, y'all. Okay, anyway, forget that, y'all. And the way we come out of it, we click the check mark. Y'all just bear with me, and I hope that somebody can learn 1 or 2 things. Well, I'll go, I said 2 or 3, at least 1. Okay, so we're gonna let me get this off here. Back out of it. Okay, now we're gonna go to text. So text is right here where the T is, and under it says text. So that's how we can put words on the screen. So let me just I'll put Sweetz right there. So we're gonna click the T and click the T right here, and then I'm just gonna put Sweetz. So you can see how I could just put my name in there, and then right here you can change the style, like the style of lettering you want, to this, to that. You want cursive, or just whatever you like. Okay, so that's one way you can do that. Okay, so I guess we'll just leave that in there for the sake of the video. Okay. Okay, and then you always click the check again when you want to when you're done with something. That's how you finish it. That's how you make sure you saved it. Or yeah, we'll just go with that. That's how you saved it. Okay. Okay, well, check it again to make sure press the next check mark. Okay, now we're going to continue to listen and see what I'm saying, and I'll just go from there, okay? At this stage of my YouTube journey, this video I'm going to be showing how I edit a video, how I put in PIP, I cut out the PIP so it's just me and not the background. Okay, so let's go to that. So you see how the PIP just came up? Okay, let me do another PIP. So, okay, we're going to just, let's see. Let's choose that picture there. Okay, you see how it has the background in it? Okay, so what I'm going to do is push cutout. Here's cutout right here. So I press that. Then I come right here and press cutout. And you see, there I go. I'm going to press the check mark all the time. Press the check mark. Okay, so if I don't really like this, because I don't like that without the cutout, I can always just go back and push cutout again. They'll put it back in there. But also, I'm gonna cut it back out. Press the check mark, and I'm gonna crop the cutout. So I can crop. This might be a little too advanced, but this is just a fun feature that I wish I had known sooner. So I'm just going to crop it like that. Press the check mark. And there you go. Then you could just move it wherever you want to move it. And then you press animation. And animation just lets you show how you want it to show up. How do you want it to come to the screen? Do you want it to dance around the screen? That's just the best way I can put it. Or you just want it to pop up from the bottom or the top, the side. So I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so we'll push animation. And let's just say we wanted to just come in like this. Come in from the top or something like that. Okay, so we don't choose that one. There's so many more to choose from. For the sake of time in this video, we're just going to choose that one right there. Let me come out of this. Okay, check mark. Did I push it? Okay, I didn't push it. Okay, so you gotta push it. How I put in, something so it can kind of fix the lighting a little bit or help the video to look a little better. How I put in a happy. Okay, now she's talking Sweet Juicy. Okay, now I'm talking about putting a smiley in, and I'm talking about like a filter for lighting. So first of all, we're going to, okay, let's check this and come out of this. We're going to go to a filter. So it's not really like a beauty filter. I guess maybe it could be. I don't know. I just use it for lighting because it helps it look better. So this kind of filter I'm going to use. Although I've already used one on this video, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So we're going to click filter and then going to go right here where it says adjust. And so I'm going to press adjust. And so I like to just click this one like automatic, like the little wand. And so I'm going to click that and it's going to automatically make it be like that. But I'm going to take it down a little bit because I already have some in there. So that's that. Okay, that's how you would do as far as some lighting. It has other options down here, however you want to do it. Let's see what this does. Oh, other ways you can filter, but we're not gonna mess with all of that. So, okay, let's check that like we got it. We're gonna go back to the video. Smiley face or a sticker of something fun like. Okay, let's find this. Okay, let me show you how to do a sticker. I've already placed one in there because I did this video, but it didn't come out like I thought. Okay, so we're gonna check the sticker right here. Well, I'm circling sticker so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, we're going to press that, and then you see right here where the smiley face is. Okay, that's where we're going to click. And here comes smiley faces and things right here. This is the easiest way to do it. Since we're just beginning, since I'm just showing you, there are some more advanced stickers that would be called the gifts, like that. But for the sake of this being like a beginner editing video, we're just going to use the stickers that they have right there. Okay, so we're gonna just we already have a smiley right there, so we're gonna just use this one. And so it pops up like it wants. You can't change how it pops up. Well, in a way you can, but that's too advanced too. We just gonna do it like this. Love, happy, peace, something fun, thumbs up, those kind of things. So all these are stickers that I did. The thumbs up one is like, I guess it's gonna be a short video because I really don't have a video long enough to do all those things. So this gonna be like a 2 or 3 minute shorts video. So let's see what else I can show you. And this right here, how I'm talking, this is sped up. So let me show you about speed. Let's see. Where is speed? Okay, you just look. Let's take that out. Okay, so you just go to the list right here till you see speed. Okay, here it is. Okay, so let me push speed. Well, I don't know why it's sped up because right here it's not saying it's sped up. I must have saved it sped up. Yeah, that's what it was. So anyway, that's how you can speed it up however fast you want to go. But we're going to keep it right here because I've already saved the video that I was showing you. I know y'all might not understand what I'm talking about. Y'all forgive me. And please let me know in the comments if you learned at least one thing. Please thumbs up the video. And come back to look at it. Just kind of follow it again. You know, maybe you get one more thing. Okay, I'm trying my best, y'all. I want y'all to get it because it's an easy app to me. If I could use this one and learn how to use it, I think this is an easy one, a beginner friendly one. Okay, so let's listen to what else I'm saying. Show you how to speed up the video. How to put my music in the video right here. Okay, well let's do that. Let's put the music in. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to find music. Okay, you just scroll across the little words at the bottom. Okay, you see audio right here, and that's how you're gonna find. This is the music that I've downloaded from Epidemic Sound. You know, wherever you might have music in your phone, it'll pop up right there for you, I guess. But right now I'm using Epidemic Sound. Any downloaded music you have, it should pop up right there when you go to audio. So I'm gonna click audio. Then I'm gonna click music. Okay, I'm gonna go to my music. So I know I already put a song on here, so this gonna be the crazy part. Okay, you click use, and then you'll click what the volume is you want. So I'm just gonna put it right there because I've already used this music. So let's just do that. Okay, so I always press the check. So you can make sure whatever you've done has been saved. Okay. So here we go. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to think of all the things, and hopefully I can make this video come together at the points I need to come together. Do you understand me? So let's see. How I put in the extra little fun stuff like the bling, or how I cry. Okay, to show you how I put the little bling right there. Okay, we'll go to effect. Click effect. Then click AI effect. And then I'm going to show you where I got that bling from. Right here where it says glitter. I crop and take a picture right here and put the sound. Okay, and the next effect is this one. So what I would do, I would scroll all the way down till I see where the picture is. Okay, y'all see it right there. This is the one I used. And so I won't demonstrate that, but then I will show you how when I put put the flash with it, because the flash does not come with the picture. So I gotta check, if I was just doing it, I would check it to make sure I've got it done. Then I'll check and I'll come out of that. In order to get to the little sound effects, you go back to audio. I'm sorry that my voice is sounding so flat, but that's how I talk, y'all. And it's the wee hours of the morning, 1:15 a.m. to be exact. So I need to be sleep voice, but I wanted to get this done because I wanted to help my friend be able to, do one or two things before the week is up. Okay, about that van life. Shout out to you for inspiring this video. And anybody else that comes through and learns something. Okay, I know I'm doing too much. Okay, so we clicked audio, so you know where to go. Okay, then we're gonna click effects. So these will be like sound effects and different kind of things right here. So I'm gonna click that, and then so right here I'm gonna click popular because that's like a popular one. So that's an instant camera. So this is what I use. You hear that? And so then you just press you'll press use, and then you'll select the volume. Once you press use, it'll take you back over to the other side to see if you want to use. I guess I should show you. Okay, let's get that out first. So we'll go to use, and then you see right here it'll show volume, and then you just click that, and then it'll give you the option to make it, to leave it right there where it is at 100, or make it lower. And so I always want to go lower because I don't want the noise to be, the effect to be louder than my talking or my music. I want it to kind of blend in. So that's how we get that. Okay, I know it's a bit much. It's supposed to be a beginner, and I'm doing too much. Okay, y'all, let me get out of that. Okay, every time you want to get out of something, you want to save it, then that's what you do. Or you want to delete it, you touch on it and see. I guess I can delete it because it's already saved. Okay.
With it, two separate things. How when I push thumbs up, then I'll put in like a little fun sound so you can hear it, because maybe you're not looking at the video right then, but then you'll hear it.
I see, like that sound that came from the effects, and I used it from the game section of the effects in audio.
You hear that, like, what was that? Then you want to see that part of the video, and just thumbs up. How I put the thumbs up in there. Also a sticker. Let's see. I'll cut this right here. Let me see. I'll cut this and go to the next part. Do this by screen recording.
Okay, so what I just did, let me show you how to do that. So it's like cutting is splitting. That's the best way. That's how. Cut can be something else on the other editing apps, but for me, I learned some kind of way I stumbled up on split, and that's how I was able to split and transition, make it do that little transition thing that it just did. So you go, okay, you'll click split. So I'm gonna have to split it again. Okay, you see where it's split right here? It's split right there. So what you do is I would back up to make sure.
By screen,
and then that little. Let's back up out of here. Okay, this little bit right here where you see that white, that's how you know where your split mark is. So that's how you can make your transition. So I'm going to click right there on it, and then it gives you all these transitions that you can use. Well, I think I'm on the paid version, so you won't get all of these, but you'll get some basic ones, the basic ones. So let's just say I want to use that.
In case you don't do this by.
So even though I'm coming out of a transition,
in case you don't know what screen recording is.
I want to use a different transition since I was coming out of one. I shouldn't have put it right there, y'all, but I'm learning how to show it too. I'm learning how to show it to someone.
This by screen, in case
so that's a transition. Both of those are transitions back to back, y'all.
This by screen, in case you don't know what screen recording is, I hope that I'll be able to show you what screen recording is, because that's how I'm going to do the video. I'm going to screen record it. And use the InShot app. So I'm not no professional at even using editing software, apps, and at screen recording or none of this. But if you can learn at least one or two things to get you started, or anybody that comes and watches this video and just wants to know an easy way to edit right quick when you learning, okay, y'all? So I'm just going to show you what I can show you in this little small amount of time. Hopefully you can get 2 or 3 of those things within this small amount of time. So thank you again for inspiring this video about that van life. And y'all check out about that van life. He's new, I think pretty much new to content creating.
Thank y'all for watching.